Good morning, everyone. This is your English class, and today we are going to study our next chapter about articles we are going to study. So let's start. Chapter 9 Articles. So we know that a and the are the articles, right? In English, there are three articles a, and the. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are a type of adjective. The definite article "the" is used before a noun to indicate that its identity of a noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article "an" is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. There are certain situations in which a noun takes no article. So, dear students, in simple words, I tell you, when things are definite, then we have to use the article. When things are indefinite, then we have to use a or an article. Okay, if things are indefinite and things are in singular number because they are countable, then we have to use a or an. A we need to use before consonant sound, and n we have to use before vowel sound. Then, dear students, we have to understand what are the definite things and what are the indefinite things. Then we will come to know that. Okay. Okay. Yes. So the we can use with the definite things, means with the definite names. I will let you know what are the definite things. Okay. And a and indefinite things when they are countable and when they are singular. Right. A with the initial consonant sound and N with the initial vowel sound. No article if things are indefinite and countable but plural, and no article when things are indefinite and uncountable, right? So simply, dear students, we have to understand, जब हमें पता हो कि कोई चीज डेफिनेट है तो उसके साथ दा यूज करना है, चाहे वो काउंटेबल हो या अनकाउंटेबल हो, सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल हो, कोई मैटर नहीं करता। अगर वो चीज डेफिनेट है तो उसके साथ दा यूज करना है। अगर वो चीज इनडेफिनेट है, काउंटेबल है और सिंगुलर है, then we have to use a or an, right? If that is indefinite but not countable, then we have to use no article. If that is indefinite but in plural form, then we should not use any article. Things should be definite, then we have to use the. Things should be indefinite, countable, and in singular number, then we have to use a or an, right? Now we have to understand what are the definite things and what are the indefinite things. Which thing is known to speaker and listener, that is definite thing. Which things are not known to listener or speaker, those things are indefinite. जब किसी चीज का बोलने वाले को और सुनने वाले को पता हो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो चीज क्या होती है? डेफिनेट। जब किसी चीज का या तो बोलने वाले को या फिर सुनने वाले को, दोनों में से किसी एक को ना पता हो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो चीज होती है इनडेफिनेट। This point I want to make you understand with some examples. Suppose, dear students, you are in your class, right? And I come to the class and I say to you that please switch on a fan. Please switch on a fan. I'm using a word here. A means a, right? So it means I'm saying to you to switch on any one fan, which is indefinite. आपको नहीं पता कि कौन से फैन की बात कर रहे हैं, सर को पता है, सर बोल रहे हैं, बट कोई भी एक फैन ऑन करने की बात कर रहे हैं। हो सकता है कि लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में, हो सकता है कि राइट कॉर्नर में हो, बट यू हैव टू स्विच ऑन एनी वन फैन। इफ सपोज दैट योर सर सेज दैट प्लीज स्विच ऑन द फैन, it means he is talking about any definite fan, any definite noun. हो सकता है कि वो फैन सर के बिल्कुल ऊपर हो, या सभी फैन ऑन हो, एक ही फैन बंद है। तो सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग रीडर को यानी कि स्पीकर को लिसनर को दोनों को पता है किस फैन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, राइट। Again, understand, when things are clear to listener and speaker, or when things are clear to writer and reader, then we have to use the, if, because that thing is definite thing. When things are not clear to either speaker or listener, that is indefinite thing. These all the points we will understand with some examples too. Okay, now let's do this exercise, and while giving the answer, I will let you know why we have used that article there. Okay, so our first sentence is that I have book. I have books. So which article will come here? You have three options: A, N, and the. So you will need to tell me which article will come. You have to raise your hand. Please wait. Let me do some setting from my end. Let me extend the size of this. Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, you please tell me what article should be there.
Sir, I have a book.
I have a book means I will come here because we are talking about one book. After giving the answer, please, dear students, please mute yourself. Lavisha, don't start the video. So I need to say here, I have a book because we are talking about any indefinite book, and I want to say about one book. So that's why we need to fill here a. I have a book. Very good, right answer. Next, I have nice book. Which article will come here? Lavisha, you please tell me.
I have a nice book.
No,
A
I
nice
have,
book.
yeah, I have a nice book. Because according to sound, initial sound, in this initial sound is book, b. B is consonant, व्यंजन जो होता है. And in this nice, न sound is initial sound. जो शुरुआती sound है वो न का sound है. So that is consonant. So according to consonant, we need to fill here. A means a, right? So I will say I have a nice book. Next, I have interesting book. Which article will come here? A, N, or the? Bhumika, you please tell me. Bhumika,
Sir, I have an interesting book.
I have an interesting book. Very good, right answer. N will come here because we are talking about any one indefinite book. And initial sound is interesting, E. E, we know that that is the vowel sound. With the vowel sound, we need to fill N, right? Next, I have nice books. I have nice books. Which article will come here? Devansh, you please tell.
I
Devansh,
have a nice book.
I have a nice books. Sorry, Devansh, you have tried very well, but your answer is not right. We need to fill here no article. You know that A or N we fill that when things are in singular number. जब कोई चीज एक होती है तो हमें ए और एन फिल करना होता है. ए और एन की वीकर फॉर्म होती है, मींस वन की वीकर फॉर्म होती है ए और एन, राइट. सो वी हैव रिटन हियर बुक्स which is plural in number, right? So a and n we can't write here, so I need to say simply I have nice books. Okay, a and n we can fill when we have one book, when we talk about one thing, right? So in this no article will come. See the next example. I have 1 rupee note. I have 1 rupee note. So which article will come here? Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, please tell me which article will come here. I give you two options, A or
Sir,
N. A or N, two options. A or N.
sir, N.
N. Okay. Manishita, you have tried well, but your answer is not right. I need to fill here. I have a 1 rupee note. Okay, I have told you dear students, according to initial sound, जो जिससे पहले हमने ए और एन फिल करना है, उस वर्ड का इनिशियल साउंड देखना है, शुरुआती साउंड देखना है, वो साउंड वाउल है या कॉन्सोनेंट है, हमने लेटर नहीं देखना. You can observe that here I have 1 rupee note. One initial sound is v. V is not vowel sound, that is consonant sound. So that's why we need to fill here a. I have a 1 rupee note. Next example, I met honest boy. I met honest boy. So which article will come here? Shruti, you please tell me. Shruti, you please tell me which article will come here.
A.
I have a honest boy. Actually, Shruti, in this also, I have told you, you need to observe the initial sound. Notice the initial sound. I met an honest. This word is pronounced honest, honest, honest. O. Initial sound is O. O we know that is a vowel sound, यानी कि स्वर साउंड होता है. तो स्वर साउंड अगर हो तो हमें एन फिल करना होता है, अगर व्यंजन साउंड हो तो हमें ए फिल करना होता है. राइट, आई मेट एन ऑनेस्ट बॉय. राइट, सो एन विल कम हियर. नेक्स्ट, आई मेट honest boy who gave you the wallet. So which article will come here? Three option you have, a, an, and the. So who will let me know? Vanshika, you please tell me. Vanshika Goyal. Neha, don't start the video, please.
I have met the honest boy.
I have met. Vanshika, I did not get. I have met a, an, or the.
And.
The. Okay, very good. Right answer. So Vanshika, you have given the right answer. We need to fill here the article. Why the article? You can see that in the previous example we filled an article, but in this we need to fill the article. Why? Because now by this description that boy is clear to reader also about which boy we are talking, who gave you the wallet. Right, so that's why that noun has become, that boy has become definite. राइट, इससे पहले वाले सेंटेंस में हमने एन फिल किया था, इसमें हमने दा फिल कर रहे हैं. उसका रीजन ये है कि जो बाद वाली बात बताई गई है, कौन सा बॉय, हु गेव यू द वॉलेट. सो यहां से वो क्लियर हो गया कि कौन सा बॉय, वो एक डेफिनेट बॉय बन गया. राइट, कोई कॉमन बॉय, एनी बॉय नहीं है. अब मैं आई हैव मेट द ऑनेस्ट बॉय हु गेव यू द वॉलेट. राइट, सो डेफिनेटली दैट हैज बिकम द डेफिनेट बॉय, एक पर्टिकुलर बॉय बन गया. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू यूज the here. Right, next with this I have made you understand with some examples. If I say please switch on a fan, means I'm talking about any one fan. And if I say please switch on the fan, it means I'm talking about any definite fan. Okay, if in the class I say you please call a boy, so it means I'm saying to you please go and call any boy. It does not matter which one is that. But if I say call the boy, it means I'm talking about a definite boy. So you also know that, and I also know that about which boy I am talking and you are listening. Right, so now again one exercise we want to do on the behalf of this understanding, and then again I'll give you the explanation why that answer is right there. So our next sentence is that I have pen, pen is so beautiful. I have pen, pen is so beautiful. So which article will come here? Anirudh, you please tell me.
Sir, I have a pen and pen is so beautiful.
Okay, very good, right answer. Anirudh, your half answer is right. Means in first fill up we need to fill here. I have a pen, the pen is so beautiful. So in first fill up, then we are talking about indefinite pen, but second fill up we are talking about definite pen because already we have mentioned that pen, right? देखो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में लिखा है आई हैव आ पेन, क्योंकि हम एक कॉमन पेन की बात कर रहे हैं, कोई भी एक पेन की बात कर रहे हैं। फिर नेक्स्ट में मैंने दा पेन लिखा है, क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि वो पेन पता लग गया सुनने वाले को कौन सा पेन, जिस पेन का इससे पहले अभी अभी हमने मेंशन किया है जोन सा पेन। यानी कि किसी भी नाम को अगर हम किसी पहले वाले सेंटेंस में उसको मेंशन कर दें तो बाद में उसके साथ दा लगाना होता है, क्योंकि वो जो पेन वो जो नाम होता है वो डेफिनेट बन जाता है, right? So that's why in first fill up we need to mention I have a pen, the pen, यानी कि वह पेन, the pen is so beautiful, वह पेन बहुत सुंदर है, right? Next, I gave him apple but he did not eat apple. Which article will come here? Ishika Rana, you please tell me. Ishika Rana, you please tell me which article will come here.
Sir, I gave him an apple, but he did not eat an apple.
Okay, your answer is half right. So first of all, we have to mention an. I gave him an apple because initial sound is apple. You know that is a vowel sound, right? So that's why we need to fill here an, and we are talking about one apple, which is indefinite. But in the second fill up, we are talking about a particular apple, which we have already mentioned in our previous part, right? तो यहाँ पे हमें दा फिल करना है, यहाँ पे एन फिल करना है। यहाँ पे एन क्यों? क्योंकि हम एक एप्पल की बात कर रहे हैं जो इनडेफिनेट है, जो कॉमन है, राइट? जो कोई जनरल एप्पल है। बट इन दिस हम एक पर्टिकुलर एप्पल की बात कर रहे हैं जिसको हमने ऑलरेडी पहले मेंशन कर दिया, तो इसलिए हमें पता लग गया कौन सा एप्पल जो इसकी बात हमने पहले कर दी है, तो वो क्या बन गया? डेफिनेट, राइट? So that's why we need to say this sentence, I gave him an apple but he did not eat the apple, right? मैंने उसे एक एप्पल दिया परंतु उसने वह एप्पल नहीं खाया। नेक्स्ट, one day I saw one-eyed man was injured in the war. So which article will come here? Anshika, you please tell me. Anshika, you please tell me which article will come here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
One day I saw an one-eyed man. The one-eyed man was injured in a war.
Okay, yes, very good. In first fill up, I will come one-eyed man because we are talking about any indefinite eyed man, right? So I will come here because initial sound is one, were. In second fill up, da will come because already we have mentioned that one-eyed man. Okay, so now that one-eyed man has become the definite. Clear? Next. Principal has come. Principal has come. So which article will come here? Who will let me know? A principal has come and principal has come. The principal has come. Bhavya, you please tell me which article will come here. Okay, I think he does not want to give the answer. Let me ask. Abhay, you please tell me. Abhay, can you tell the answer? Okay. So dear students, if you do not want to give the answer, so please don't raise your hand. Sai Pratik. Sai Pratik, you please tell me.
Good morning, sir.
And good morning. So which article can come here? Sorry?
Sir, the principal has come.
The principal has come because जब भी हम सेंटेंस बोलते हैं तो सुनने और लिसने यानी कि बोलने वाले को और सुनने वाले को दोनों को पता है कि कौन से प्रिंसिपल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग भी कुछ नाउन वहां पे डेफिनेट बन जाते हैं, तो इसके साथ हम दा यूज करते हैं। ओके, सो वी नीड टू से द प्रिंसिपल हैज कम। वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, आई वांट टू बाय सिल्वर। आई वांट टू बाय सिल्वर। व्हाट आर्टिकल कैन कम हियर? Who will tell me the answer? Let me see. Ahem, you please tell me. Ahem, you please tell me which article will come here.
I want to buy a silver.
I want to buy a silver. Very good. You have tried very well, Ahem. But Ahem, your answer is not right. We need to fill here no article. We need to fill here no article. Initially, I told you a or an article we can fill when we have to show one. जब हमें कोई चीज एक बतानी हो तब हम वन सॉरी ए और एन आर्टिकल को यूज कर सकते हैं. We know that some nouns are there in English or in Hindi too. Those nouns are considered uncountable. कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो अनकाउंटेबल होती हैं, जिनको हम कभी लेते हैं या देते हैं तो गिन के लेते या देते नहीं है, उनको माप के या फिर तोल के तब देते हैं. जैसे शुगर होता है, जैसे गोल्ड होता है, जैसे वाटर होता है, जैसे मिल्क होता है. So these all the nouns are uncountable. Same silver, gold, iron, steel. These words are called uncountable. So if these words are uncountable, so A or N we can't fill. That's why we need to say I want to buy silver, not a silver, right? But see the next example. Silver of Punjab is remarkable. Which article can come here? Mayank, you please tell me. Okay. Let me see who can give me the answer. Lavisha, you please tell me what can be the answer of this. Lavisha, you please tell me.
The silver of Punjab is remarkable.
Remarkable. Very good. Right answer. The silver of Punjab is remarkable. Actually, we are talking about a particular silver. Right? Which silver? Silver of Punjab, not any common silver. Right? So the article can come with countable things, uncountable thing, either that's a singular or that is plural. It doesn't matter. But condition is that should be particular. Right? So when we talk about definite things, particular thing, then we have to use the. Right? So here we are talking about a particular silver which is related to Punjab. That's why we are saying silver of Punjab is remarkable. Otherwise, if I say this sentence in this way, silver is remarkable, so we will fill no article because we are talking about any general silver, not any particular silver. But if I say the silver of Punjab is remarkable, I can say education is good. I do not need to fill any article before education because that is uncountable. But if I say the education of the Century School is good, so I need to fill there the before the education. Why? Because I'm talking about the particular education, which has become the definite there, right? So the we can use with the definite things, either that's a singular, that is a plural, that is countable or uncountable. It doesn't matter. Next, dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a faithful animal. Which article can come here? Devansh, you please tell me which article can come here.
Sir, the.
Yes, the is right answer. The dog is a faithful animal. So dear students, second condition is that we can use the when we talk about entire community of something or the complete race of something. जब किसी की हम पूरी जाति की बात करते हैं, then in that condition also we can use the. I'm not talking about any single dog. I'm saying the dog is a faithful animal, means all the dogs are faithful animals. Okay, when we talk about the entire race, entire community, then we can use the here. You may have heard this sentence, the tiger is our national animal. The tiger. The tiger means we are talking about all the tigers, entire community of tiger, right? So when we talk about the entire race, entire community, then we have to use the, right? Next, she is most intelligent girl of our class. She is most intelligent girl of our class. So which article can come here? A, N, or the? Who will let me know? Love Kumar, you please tell me. Love Kumar, please tell me which article will come here.
She is a most intelligent girl of our class.
Okay, very good. You have tried very well. But love, your answer is not right. We need to mention here the. Why? Because when we use superlative degrees, more, many, more, most, or much, more, most. So most is the superlative degree, right? So whenever we use superlative degree, so it means we need to use the because we make it definite, we make it particular, right? So there we have to use the article. So in this case, we need to use the article if you write any superlative degree, right? Next, Rahul is intelligent. Rahul is intelligent. Who will let me know which article will come here? Neha, you please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Neha,
sir.
which article will come here?
Sir, Rahul is a intelligent.
Rahul is intelligent. Very good, Neha. You have tried well, but your answer is not right. So we will fill here no article. We will fill here no article. Why? Because intelligent is an adjective, not any noun. जो articles fill करते हैं a या n, वो किसी नाम के लिए fill करते हैं, right? यहाँ पे कोई नाम तो है नहीं है. अगर मैं कह दूं राहुल is an intelligent boy, जो n है वो हालांकि इंटेलिजेंट साउंड की वजह से आया है, बट वो आया बॉय के लिए है. यहाँ पे कोई नाउन ही नहीं है, कोई नाम ही नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे कोई आर्टिकल नहीं कहे आएगा. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ दिस इज अ नाइस पेन, सो बिकॉज ऑफ पेन वी हैव फिल्ड हियर आर देयर. ये एक नाइस पेन है, अच्छा पेन है. बट इफ आई से दिस इज नाइस, और इफ आई से दिस पेन इज नाइस, so no need to fill any article, because articles we can fill for the nouns. If nouns are not there, we can't fill any article, right? Articles से fill करते हैं वो नाम के साथ करते हैं, यहाँ तो नाम है ही नहीं है, right? So in this we will fill no article. But see the next sentence. If I write this sentence in this way, Rahul is an intelligent boy, so here we have to fill n. Why n? Because boy word is there, right? For simply we can understand, for nouns we fill a, n, or the articles, right? Next, who is next student? Who is next student? Which article will come? Vanshika, you please tell me. Vanshika, please tell me which article. Yeah, the article will come here. You need to say, means the article we need to fill who is the next student. Remember this point with first, last, next, previous, only, same, flowing. Usually we write the with these words before these words. Okay. Next, earth revolves round the sun. Earth revolves round sun. So which article will come here? Bhavya, you please tell me. Neha, stop the video.
Sir, the
Two fill-ups are there. What article will come in second fill-up? Okay, I tell you, in both the fill-ups we need to mention the article. Why? Because these things are only one of their kind, like earth, sky, moon, sun, which things are one of their kind in the world, so we need to use the article before them. जो चीज इस दुनिया में अपनी तरह की एक ही है, राइट? जो एक ही होती है तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, वो डेफिनेट बन जाती है. In that condition also we need to mention the article. So we can say the earth revolves around the sun, right? Next, in India, there are many rivers, but Ganga is my favorite one. Which article will come here? Who will let me know? Let me think. Vivek Man, you please tell me which article can come here.
Sir, in India there are many rivers, but the Ganga is my favorite one.
Very good. The article will come here because you know that with the name of the rivers, name of the books, name of the historical buildings, mountain range, right? Oceans, seas, with them we need to fill the article because they are definite. Next, we should not give advice to intelligent. We should not give advice to intelligent. So which article will come here? Please tell me which article will come here. Who will let me know? Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, please tell me which article.
No article.
Sorry, no article. Okay, very good. You have tried very good. But Manishita, da can come here. Why da can come here? You know, with adjectives, the article we can mention when we have to say that all the intelligent people, right? In that condition we can use the intelligent means all intelligent people. If I say poor is also adjective, so the poor also I can write. If I want to show, if I want to say poor, all the poor people. The rich also I can mention. Rich is adjective here. If I say the rich, it means I'm talking about rich people, all the rich people. Okay, so here I want to say that we should not give advice to the intelligent. हमें जो intelligent लोग हैं उनको सलाह नहीं देनी चाहिए, right? So with the adjective also we can mention the, जब हम ये कहना चाहें कि सभी उस तरह के लोग, right? Next, more we get, more we desire. More we get, more we desire. So which article will come here? Who will let me know? Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, you please tell me.
Sir, no article.
No article. Okay, very good. But answer is that the article will come in the situation. Dear students, when we write comparative degree to show the parallel comparison, so we need to use the article. Like the more we get, the more we desire. यानी कि जितना हम पाएंगे उतनी हमारी डिजायर बढ़ जाएगी. तो जब मैं ऐसा कहना हूं ना, जितना उतना, इस तरह की सेंस देनी हो ना, तो हमें दा यूज करना होता है. जितना हम पाएंगे उतनी हमारी डिजायर, इच्छा बढ़ जाएगी. तो वहां पे हमें कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज करनी होती है, उनसे पहले दा यूज करना होता है, राइट? दिस इज द सेकंड एग्जांपल रिगार्डिंग दिस. द हायर वी गो द कूलर इट इज. जितना हम ऊपर जाएंगे उतनी हमें ठंड मिलेगी. तो जितना उतना इस सेंस के लिए हम दा को यूज कर सकते हैं, वहां पे हमें कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज करनी होती है, राइट? So I think it's enough for today. Dear students, if you want to ask any question regarding today's class, then you can raise your hand.